Is it the right time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we're going to delve deep into Taiwan Semiconductor. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 19, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified Taiwan Semiconductor as a strong buy candidate with a score of 6.47. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have witnessed an impressive gain of 11.7% since we first listed Taiwan Semiconductor as a buy candidate 9 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.3% since it was identified as a strong buy candidate. The stock has recently broken a strong short-term upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of rise. If there is any downward movement, there will be support at the previous trend's peak of $108.59, which could present a second opportunity for growth. Based on fan theory, the next potential resistance level is $115.63, which may not be surpassed on the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 18.49% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 5.37% to 12.67%. The 12-month trend suggests a 7.83% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -17.98% to 6.03%. This indicates a price range of $93.66 to $121.09 after 12 months. Our latest update on Taiwan Semiconductor brings a positive headline: Green Day on Friday for Taiwan Semiconductor. On the last trading day, which was Friday, January 19, 2024, the Taiwan Semiconductor stock price increased by 1.04%, going from $113.03 to $114.20. This marks the 6th consecutive day of gains for the stock. While it's not common for stocks to rise continuously for so many days, it's important to expect some fluctuations and potential drops in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock price ranged from a low of $111.03 to a high of $115.15, showing a fluctuation of 3.71%. In the past 10 days, the stock price has risen in 8 of them, resulting in a 15.2% increase over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume of shares traded decreased by 20 million, with a total of 36 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $4.10 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices can indicate a divergence and possibly signal upcoming changes in the market. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price that the stock reached was $115.15, while the lowest price was $81.21. Currently, the stock price is 0.82% or 94 cents below its 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 21.24% or $30.80 below the all-time high, which occurred on January 13, 2022 when the price reached $145. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 19, 2024, Needham gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, UBS gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, July 20, 2023, Wedbush gave TSM an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, July 20, 2023, Needham gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, June 1, 2023, Needham gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Taiwan Semiconductor stock a general rating of strong buy. They specifically rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today we're going to talk about Taiwan Semiconductor and the signals that have been identified for its stock. Let's dive in. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock is showing positive signs in both short and long-term moving averages, which is a good indication for the stock's future. The relationship between these signals also suggests a buying opportunity, with the short-term average currently above the long-term average. If the stock experiences any downward corrections, there is support at $105.02 and $101.90. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may be time to consider selling. On Thursday, January 4, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 15.2% increase so far. This suggests that the stock may continue to rise until a new top pivot is identified. It's worth noting that there was a decrease in volume during the last trading day despite the price gains. This divergence between volume and price could be an early warning sign, so it's important to closely monitor the stock. Additionally, there have been some negative signals issued, which could potentially impact the stock's short-term development. It's also worth mentioning that the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently shows a sell signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal 11 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 52 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average shows a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 48 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 39 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor currently finds support from accumulated volume at $113.03. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. When it comes to daily movements, this stock exhibits average volatility. With a good trading volume, the risk associated with it is considered to be medium. Looking at the past day, the stock moved $4.12 between its highest and lowest points, which accounts for 3.71% of its value. Similarly, over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.85%. Before we discuss the possible good trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's begin by understanding some important fundamental data. First, let's look at the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Taiwan Semiconductor has a relatively normal P/E ratio, which is often seen in businesses with established track records and predictable revenues. Today, we're going to delve into the potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. So, let's get started. When it comes to the upward movement of the stock, there's a clear advantage. With no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, Taiwan Semiconductor has the potential to make swift upward progress under favorable conditions. In such cases, it's wise to consider entering a position and using volume as an indicator for your exit strategy. On the other hand, let's talk about the downside. At the first support level of $113.03, Taiwan Semiconductor faces an important juncture. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the anticipation of a subsequent rebound in the stock's price. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $110.66, which is a decrease of 3.1%. This stock exhibits moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 10 days ago. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and the stock's upward trend, there is an indication of even stronger growth. This suggests that now may be a good time to consider buying Taiwan Semiconductor stock, as there is a fair chance for it to perform well in the short term. However, upon analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, January 22, we anticipate Taiwan Semiconductor to open with a decrease of $0.742, starting at a price of $113.46. Before we begin, it's important to understand the risks involved in trading. Trading carries a high risk of financial loss, so it's crucial to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and using our information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your investment decisions. We're excited to share our current view of the stock with you. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. What's your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated on our future content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from the entire team here at StockInvest.